I want to quickly show you a new plugin feature available with a recent update. It's a selection indicator. There are again two levels of setting, on plugin level and panel level. If you have a selection, you now have option to show indicator on the panels. So if you check a checkbox, a panel is indicated with a selection. You also have one more option to show indicator only on top. If you click that, it shows only on top, and this happens on every panel. If you have this on plugin level, you can also change on panel level, show selection indicator. Let's say I want to hide on this panel, but keep on this, but show on top. Use plugin settings and show only on top. Okay. If remove selection, indicator goes away, and if add the selection, indicator appears. That's it. I hope you will find this useful.